Hello everyone, I'm Kajal Jaiswal. I'm currently pursuing BTech in Computer Science and Engineering. I've been an active part in communities in my university and have also helped my peers in learning different technical concepts. So, coming to the question, how will I explain a technical concept to a community or a friend who has never heard of it? First and foremost, I'll make sure that the person I'm helping is interested in understanding new concepts. And if not, then I'll give them different interesting real life examples about the topic to make it attractive. Then I'll start with visual presentation, as studies say that people can relate and retain what they see more than what they hear. Now, I would like to demonstrate this by explaining about data structure linked list. Now, I'll be explaining about linked lists. Now, what are linked lists? Linked list is a linear data structure that includes a series of connected nodes. And unlike arrays, linked lists are not contiguous and they are randomly stored in the memory. Now, what is a node? A node in a linked list contains two parts, the first one being the data part and the second one being the address part. In the address part, we store the address of the next element, and in the data part, we store the element of the current node. Now, why do we need linked lists? We need linked lists because of their dynamic size and ease of insertion and deletion. Now, due to dynamic size, we can increase and decrease the size of the linked list as per our will at any time. And the ease of insertion and deletion is there because in arrays we have to shift the elements, but in linked list we do not have to shift anything and just connect the nodes to each other. Now, this is how a linked list looks like. The first element is always called the head node, and the rest follow. As we can see, the nodes are connected to each other via addresses. And the last node always contains null in the address part since we are not attaching any other node to it. Now, what are the some uses of linked lists? So, first one being performing arithmetic operations on long integers. Since we know we cannot store long integers in data types that are already defined, so we use linked lists to separate the digits of the long integers and then perform arithmetic operations. Their linked lists are also used to implement stack and queue data structures. Like we use arrays, we can also use linked list in the for implementing them. And also linked list is used in representing sparse matrices. So this is how I would explain a topic to a friend or a community using PPT. And after that, I'll also share resources with them so that they can make the concept crystal clear. Thank you.